Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Ciao a tutti, benvenuti nel mio canale, sono Daniele and welcome in this new video where I'm going to show you 5 best apps to learn Italian. So you can download those apps for free, but almost all of them allowed you to purchase some packages, but they are already good without them, so you can download them for free and you can start to learn for free. Of course, if you want to improve the app skills, you can purchase packages they offers, but it's not mandatory for sure to learn Italian. So today we are going to talk just about 5 best apps, but in the future we could cover more of the Italian apps I would like to suggest you. Those are 5 apps I've already tried on my skin, so I'm sure of what I'm suggesting you. So at the 5th place we have Mondly. I guess you already know this app that allowed you to improve many languages, and it's easy and quick to install. It gives you every day some words to learn and some lessons. Of course, if you want more lessons every day, you will have to purchase the package, but as a backup app while you are learning into other apps, it's a good solution. You can learn about travel, business, romance, fun, school, and you can choose the topic you prefer. Then you just need to follow the app instructions and you're ready to go. Mondly is going to give you new words and also new conversations. They tell you the pronunciation of the words and they allowed you to learn already some small conversation, for example, come stai or buongiorno, and you're ready to go. Moreover, Mondly has flashcards, so you're going to learn new words every day and new vocabulary for your Italian's improvements. So the 4th app is Italianofil, that is going to teach you 6,000 new vocabulary words. I put this one and not Mondly as first because this one allowed you to have vocabulary for free. Mondly has a limit per day you can learn, and this app instead is going to give you a bit more for free. So what is going to do this app is showing you some flashcards, and you will have to combine those with the name. So it's just about vocabularies, but it's really efficient, and you can start learning the dictionary and vocabularies of the Italian language. That is not something to underestimate. So the 3rd app is Learn Italian. So this one is a quite ugly app, but is gonna be useful. That's because it has not only flashcards but also tests and also a list of words. So it is a bit more complete than the 6,000 words vocabulary. That's because you don't have just vocabularies, but also you can test your written Italian, and you can learn as well new vocabularies. So this one also allowed you to have more content. That's because it is a free app completely. If you want, you can purchase the package not to have advertisement, but otherwise this app is completely free. So it allows you to learn Italian in a quite complete way under the point of view of vocabularies and written Italian. So at the 2nd place we have Duolingo. I guess you already know this app, and it's one of the most complete free app to learn a language that there is on the Play Store. So Duolingo allows you to achieve new medals every day and allows you to learn almost everything for free. So of course it is the same for the Italian language. You can learn vocabulary, you can learn pronunciation, and you can learn to achieve new goals every day. That's the typical app you can bring with you all day, and while you are in the tram station you can start and practicing for a few minutes before work. So that's the app I would suggest you to start learning Italian. Of course, that's not the way you can learn Italian in 1 week or 1 month, but that's a start, and you can start learning for articles and all the Italian grammars that, don't forget, you can find on my channel, so go and check it out. So in first position we have an app that actually you will have to pay, but that's the most useful of all the apps, because it allows you to have a private tutor that teaches you the Italian every day. So of course that's the complete way to learn it. That's because you have a professionist that teaches you how to correct your pronunciation and how to write your Italian, and you have a person that can help you in no time. So how does it work Preplay? You have to book a trial lesson, you will have to pay for that, but then you will be allowed to buy a package of lessons, and you will have a complete platform that supports you into your Italian goal. You can choose the tutor depending on how much you want to spend for every lesson, and also your availability during the day. So every tutor has its own availability and its own price, and you can decide depending on your needs. You will be able to look at this introductory video, and also you will be able to look at the review he received from previous students. So of course that is the most expensive way to learn Italian from the one we have seen today, but also the most effective way to learn Italian, because an application cannot tell you if you're doing wrong or right. Instead, a professional person can. So if you want to learn Italian in the fastest way as possible, that's the way I suggest you to go and check it out on Preplay, your tutor. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed my short video, and don't forget to subscribe, like my video and like my page on Instagram. And if you want to learn Italian for free, go and check it out my channel. You will find already lots of contents about the Italian language. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ciao!